Welcome to this comprehensive guide on tips for Uniswap token list. Uniswap is a popular, decentralized exchange protocol that enables users to trade various cryptocurrencies. The token list on Uniswap is a crucial aspect of the platform as it determines which tokens are available for trading. To start, it is essential to understand that the Uniswap token list is community-driven, meaning that users can submit tokens for listing. However, not all tokens are accepted, and the Uniswap team has implemented a set of guidelines to ensure that only high-quality tokens are listed. Firstly, it is crucial to check the token's liquidity before listing it on Uniswap. A token with low liquidity may not be attractive to traders, which can negatively impact the overall trading experience. Additionally, tokens with low liquidity may be more susceptible to market manipulation. Secondly, ensure that the token has a strong and active community. A token with a weak community may not have a strong enough support base, which can lead to low trading volumes and poor liquidity. Thirdly, verify the token's smart contract security. A token with a vulnerable smart contract can be exploited by hackers, which can result in significant financial losses for users. It is essential to ensure that the token's smart contract has been audited by a reputable security firm. Fourthly, check the token's listing on other reputable exchanges. A token that is listed on other well-established exchanges is more likely to be a high-quality token. This is because these exchanges have a rigorous listing process that involves thorough checks on the token's quality and security. Lastly, be cautious of tokens with high listing fees. Some tokens may have high listing fees, which can be a sign of a low-quality token. It is essential to research the token thoroughly and understand the reasoning behind the high listing fee. In conclusion, when it comes to the Uniswap token list, it is crucial to do your research and thoroughly evaluate a token before listing it. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of listing a high-quality token on Uniswap and provide a better trading experience for users. Remember to always prioritize security, liquidity, and community when evaluating a token for listing on Uniswap.